In this video, let me show you how to send money with Remitly app. First, make sure you're signed into your Remitly account. On the main screen, tap the send button, choose the amount you want to send, and select the currency, like USD, and the delivery method options include debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. If you're sending money in GPB, make sure you meet the required amount. Next, enter the recipient's details, full name, recipient number, and their contact information. You'll also need to provide your details as a sender, like your name, date of birth, and postcode. Once everything is filled out, press confirm. Finally, choose your payment method and put your card number and verify. The transfer will begin once you're verified. If everything is correct, your money will be sent without issues. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.